Okay, welcome back to 50 Social Media Strategies, the power of social media in your marketing. Now, in this video, we're going to be talking about strategy number 2, which is on Facebook and establishing a personal relationship and network. Now, Facebook is unique and allows you to meet other people that you want to do business with, and it allows you to meet them on a pretty personal level depending on how much they're going to be sharing. And as a result, you're going to get a chance to literally see what their personal interests are if you visit their page. And it will generally show you that. People will reveal that information through Facebook. And even if you don't see it directly in their profile, you'll be able to look at their news stream or their wall. Okay, you'll also get a chance to share your own personal interests, and that will help you to connect with people. Once again, people are willing to share their personal information, but they like to connect with people who will share a little personal information too. Now, this is slightly different from finding out what their personal interests are. You can actually take an interest in the things that they're doing, whether or not it's professional or whether or not it's personal. And you do that through commenting, you do that through sharing resources, you do that through reading, but you will get the opportunity to take a personal interest in what they're doing. And you will find that when you take a personal interest in someone and what they're doing, they will listen to you more readily. Now, you should probably literally be interested, though, in what they're doing. I mean, don't do it just to be disingenuous and to get them to do something for you. Be interested in something that they're doing and demonstrate this interest by commenting and sharing and doing all of those things that you would do with internet content that you're interested in. Now, if you want to work with someone that has a big presence, one thing that you want to do is see if you can follow them on Facebook, because this is going to give you a lot of insight on what they're into. Right? What they're thinking. What is it that they really value, and you'll be able to get a sense for that, and then you'll be able then to work with them once you have this information. Now, this is just as an aside. If you have mutual friends, right, and you make the request of these people, they're going to be likely to want to, I'd say, connect with you if they see that you have a number of mutual friends. Right? They may not know you personally, but if they see that you have lots of friends that are mutual, then they may be willing then to connect with you a little more readily. And so you want to make sure that you've got some relationships under your belt, that you have some people that you've connected to, and that they remain with you, because when you go and you start contacting some of the heavy hitters in your niche, then they'll see that you are, a prominent person in the niche, and that you do know people that they would find interesting, or that they would find wise, or they would find authoritative. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the next strategy.